In a previous video, I talked about how you can get a bumper harvest in kales, and most people were interested in this video, so I decided to make a follow-up on the same. And today I'm going to give the basic insights into these kales. This is on the other side of the farm. These kales are different from the one I shared in the previous video, of which I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can revisit the same. So actually this is 1000-headed variety. The plant has been here for the last 3.5 months. You can see it's very productive. It weighs very heavily, therefore you can fill your bag very fast and make a lot of money for that matter. Basically what we've been doing here, it's nothing special. We've just been top dressing our plant, and also we've been putting a lot of manure. Well decomposed manure or compost will do very good in this plant, and you'll see the results in the long run. The other important thing is to space your plants correctly. Here we've spaced the plant 40 centimeters apart. This is very advantageous in the sense that each plant gets its own space. They are not overcrowded. Each one has its space to grow and expand and spread its leaves. And at the same time, the plants form a kind of canopy that reduces the number of weeds, and therefore weeding is not important. So this is a good means of cutting production cost. Plant also require a lot of water. You know, most brassicas, the likes of kales and cabbage, they are made up of a very large percent of water, and therefore they need a lot of water, and also timely applying, and the frequency is also very important. But you should take care not to overwater your plants, because this will also lead to diseases. You also need to do crop rotation. You should not be planting the same crop on the same field every now and then. In consecutive planting season, you should rotate, and you should not repeat crops in the same family. For instance, when I remove these kales, I will not, under any circumstances, plant any brassica here like spinach, broccoli, because this one you'll be inviting in diseases, and therefore your next crop will not do very well. Kale is a must plant for any gardener or any household, especially here in Kenya, since it's a staple food. And contrary to popular opinion, you don't need a very big space to grow. As you can see, this is a very small space that we've grown our plants, and you can also grow them in grow bags or in containers. They don't require a lot of spaces, and especially if you grow this variety, the 1000-headed variety, you will get a lot of vegetable from a very small space. But until the next video, I encourage you to subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you on the next video.